Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Jharkhand signs packs of 3040 megawatt. India becomes new benchmark for low-cost residential rooftop solar. 20 megawatt waste to energy plant commissioned in Hyderabad. PTC view on power demand and price fluctuations. Schneider to infuse 400 crore rupees in its Indian subsidiary Luminous Power. Coming to the details, the Jharkhand government in the process of finalizing pacts with several power producers for sourcing 3040 megawatt electricity. Under this, 500 megawatt will be available from North Karanpura, 2040 megawatt from PBUNL, 100 megawatt from floating solar, and 400 megawatt from Adani Power. The Energy Department has set a target to reduce the transmission and distribution loss from 45% at present to 20%. Demand for the power in the state is currently at 2050 megawatt and is likely to grow to 3440 megawatt in the next 10 years. The latest report by the International Renewable Energy Agency shows that the trend of falling cost of solar and wind power continued despite the impact of pandemic globally. In all, 162 gigawatt or 62% of total renewable power generation added last year had lower costs than the cheapest new fossil fuel option. The report, Renewable Power Generation Costs in 2020, shows that the cost for renewable technologies continued to fall significantly year on year. Concentrating solar power fell by 16%, onshore wind by 13%, offshore wind by 9%, and solar photovoltaic by 7%. According to the report, India has become the new benchmark for the lowest cost residential systems. The decade of 2010-2020 saw a dramatic improvement in the competitiveness of solar and wind technologies, with CSP, offshore wind, and solar PV all joining onshore wind in the range of costs for a new fossil fuel capacity and increasingly outcompeting them. Within 10 years, the cost of electricity from utility scale solar PV fell by 85%, CSP by 68%, onshore wind by 56%, and 48% for offshore wind. Moreover, with the record low auction prices of 8 rupees per unit to 2 rupees per unit today, solar PV and onshore wind continuously undercut even the cheapest new coal option without any financial support. Municipal Administration and Urban Development Minister K.T. Ramarao opened construction and demolition waste recycling plant of 20 megawatt capacity in Hyderabad, and a new 28 megawatt capacity will be coming soon. Waste collected in city has increased from 3,500 metric tons to 7,000 metric tons per day with the increased efforts of the authorities. Officials will hold a series of meetings with the builders and builders associations and other stakeholders to ensure the construction and demolition waste is not thrown in the open and is transported to this plant. Power Trading Corporation CMD Mr. Deepak Amitabh has shared his views with a news channel on power demand and price fluctuations prevailing in India's power market. Power is a good index of how the economy is picking up. People have realized that the power is a basic sector and without that the country cannot move. As commercial activities have now started opening up, power demand is picking up. Unlike long-term rates which are fixed, the short-term market rates are more fluctuating. Though there are some supply side issues, prices in short-term prices started firming up. It is early to assess the impact of clean energy on conventional power companies, but India's growing energy demand requires every type of energy, be a renewable or a conventional energy. French multinational Schneider Electric announced plans to infuse around 350 to 400 crores in its Indian subsidiary Luminous Power Technologies. With these funds, Luminous will expand the capacity of its 7 existing plants in the country and set up 2 new manufacturing plants, generating direct employment for the more than 2,000 people and supporting over 10,000 others. Schneider is planning to increase Luminous annual battery manufacturing capacity by 63% to 5.1 million by 2025 from the present 3.12 million. Besides, it is also looking to develop a new plant that will support the production of tall tubular batteries. Luminous is also eyeing to direct 185 crore rupees towards building the capacity upgrading technology for battery and next generation inverter manufacturing. This fresh infusion will also help to maintain Atmanirbhar Make in India principles of backward integration and employment generation. Additional news today. JSW plans 75,000 crore investment to scale up capacity to 20 gigawatt by financial year 2030. India's renewable energy sector requires over 500 billion in the next decade in wind and solar infrastructure, expansion and modernization, and for the indigenization of batteries, etc. KSERC approves PPA between KSEB and Tata Power for 110 megawatt at 2 rupees 97 paisa per unit. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 112.38 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 3 rupees 21 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 1 rupee 91 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 76 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 80 paisa per unit. Price disco weighted average price is 3 rupees 8 paisa per unit. There is no congestion of power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.